Welcome back to my Start a Referral Agency series, where I walk you through how to start a service-based business from your laptop and work from anywhere in the world. If you're new here, hi, I'm Krystal from cleaningcoachforyou.com. As many of you know, I have a referral agency with contractors, but with the world cracking down on misclassified 1099 workers and how many people are saying the wrong verbiage that can cause a violation, which costs thousands of dollars in an audit, I wanted to go over some of the main differences of working with employees and contractors. But before we dive in, if you're not sure what a referral agency is or what services you could offer in a referral agency model, make sure you check out last week's video. Also, if you're stuck on how to get contractors the legal paperwork needed and how to onboard them, make sure you grab a copy of my contractor recruitment guide down below this video. All right, so let's dive into an example for a cleaning company with employees, then a cleaning referral agency so you can see the differences. With a cleaning company, you can have a team, employees, uniforms, branded cars, company dress code policies. You could even have no cell phones at work. You can control a majority of every aspect of your business. You could even show up to job sites, manage your team, ensure they take breaks, have a team leader who regulates quality. You could even do in-home estimates, promising XYZ as the result, and if a client is unhappy, you could provide a discount, no questions asked. Or if desired, you could promise them a reclaim. But you also have to provide supplies, equipment. You're also responsible for damages, insurance, mileage, gas, payroll, taxes, workers' comp, paying for drive time, and you can even take on commercial clients too if you desire. With the referral agency model, you want to think of a cleaning company split in half. And the agency is responsible for the admin, billing, sales, marketing, and recruiting as one job. And the service providers are responsible for the cleaning, supplies, equipment, and getting to and from each job. So essentially, you just reduced your workload and expenses by over half. But since you're working with contractors, also known as service providers, they also have their own experience. Since they're not employees, we cannot provide any training. We can't force them to wear a uniform or have our logos onto their cars. We can't control these type of things. In addition to lack of control, we cannot force them to do a reclaim or refund any money from their percentage without their permission or force them to take on a job. Service pros get to accept, decline, or renegotiate fees, and they're also responsible for their own damage in any home. In order for service providers to get paid, they legally need to invoice you, and all client payments must go into a trust account first, and this account can't have any expenses. Then once they invoice you, you can process their settlement and the agency payment and disperse them into separate accounts. You want to have a separate account just for your expenses, and you cannot intermingle. With contractors, legally, they also must be into a contract, but it also protects you and your business. So it's a great thing. But one major difference is that if you don't like a service provider, you can't fire them. They're not employees, but you can stop referring them out to any jobs. But you can't take away their recurring clients as long as the clients are still happy with them as their service provider. If you want to grab my contractor recruitment roadmap, make sure you grab it down below this video. There's a lot of pros and cons that goes into both types. Whether you want employees or contractors, you just legally can't have both under one model. Unless you have office staff, technically. For a referral agency, you can have employees. But you can't have contractors under an employee model. If you do, they're most likely misclassified, and we don't want that happening. I want to make sure that you're protected, your family's protected, and with the world cracking down on misclassification, you want to make sure that you do the prep work now to make sure that you get your business secure and protect yourself. I advocate for either type, so I'll help you get there. But in next week's video, we're diving into how I converted my cleaning company with employees into a referral agency with contractors legally. So if you want to catch that video, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I come out with that video. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.